Yeah, girl did this makeup today. The lip gloss. Hurry up. I'm back. If you're new here, my name is Monique, and welcome back all of my dozens of roses. If you're new here, please do not leave without liking my ish and subscribing. And so as you guys can see in today's title, I am going to be doing a little small get to know me, not like major questions, just little something for you guys. Today is my birthday.
Sheila, it's your birthday. Go Sheila, it's your birthday. Go Birdie, it's your birthday. Go.
So by the time you guys see this video, it will be the next day, so my birthday will be gone. But thank you guys for the happy birthdays regardless. My dozens of roses. I'm gonna actually post a picture of what I'm wearing today for my birthday. This is what I'm wearing, but I'm gonna actually post the whole outfit. But I'll show you guys my purse because it's cute as hell. And be on the lookout for a review on this company. This is a black-owned company, and I will be doing a video pretty soon. And this is it. Yeah. Okay, so I have my phone. And I just have pretty much the questions that I came across that I wanted to answer for you guys. Like I said, it's nothing major. Y'all, it's storming outside. Y'all hear that? Oh my God, I'm trying to make my video. Anyway, I have the questions in my phone. And I'm just going to answer them for you guys. There are 10 questions that I'm going to answer for you guys. So, question number 1, my age. Today I turned 33, and yeah. I know I don't look my age. Most people be like, girl, you look like you 18. I be like, thank you. Girl, you got, hold on, that's another question. I'm not gonna get to that yet. Girl, you got this amount of kids? What you got this? Child, I thought she was like a little girl. Like, I'd be like, because that means I'm aging very gracefully as we people do. Okay, so question number 2, my height. I am 5'1", I'm a shorty. Like JT say,
when I come through fine short thick shit, I'm like 5'2".
Don't be, she talk about me, y'all, even though she's short too. Question number 3, why did I start YouTube? I wanted to actually do YouTube because like I used to watch some of the mothers in like a mother section. I'd be like, dang, they getting down on them girls or whatnot. I don't want to be her. They do stuff such as bringing up their past and like when they wasn't doing so good, and I'm like, oh my God, I don't want to be her. But I had to think on a broader, bigger scale because I have a lingerie business, and right now I have it on pause. But when I come back up with bodiofagoddess, y'all gonna know. And y'all, so be on the lookout for that. And I was like, you know, I get support from my city, you know, and then I was doing pop-up shops and things of that sort. But I was like, it's a whole big old world out there that's ready to support bodiofagoddess. Oh God, my earring. I'm gonna put that back here right now. So there's a whole world ready to support bodiofagoddess, and what made me know that the sky's the limit was when I got my order from Canada. I was like, girl, you did what? You did what off your dream? So yes, if you have a dream, please. If you have a dream of a business that you want to open it, because you never know. God gave you that thought in your head for a reason. And like I said, right now I'm just getting my mental health together so that when I come back with bodiofagoddess, I want to pretty much present it to the world how it's supposed to be. Because I'm the next because I am the next 50 Savage. I am the next, because I am the next Victoria's Secret, baby. So you guys be on the lookout for that. You guys know today's my birthday. Once again for the birthday girl. My birthday is June the 8th, which is today, and I'm a Gem. I'm a Gemini. I am a Gemini. Okay, how many kids do I have? I have 3 kids. I know I look young, I know I look 18, but your girl had, oh God, there go one right there. Get my video. I have a 13-year-old Marcus who has autism, with ADHD autism. I have a 9-year-old Zabria, and I have a 2-year-old Asaya. Those are my 3 kids. Next question. Where are you from? I am from Georgia, GA. A Georgia girl, a Georgia peach, as they say. What is your favorite movie? My favorite movie is Crooklyn. That little girl just always reminded me of myself, as strong as she was, and then the mom, when she got the cancer, and when the mom got the cancer and everything, and she just held it down. Like, she just reminded me of myself, like, so strong. And I think that's why I related to that movie so much, I'm guessing. How many siblings do I have? Okay, so I have 3 on my mama's side, and I don't know how many on my daddy's side. Okay, but okay, I'm gonna say this. I have 3 on my mama's side, and I'm gonna say I know for sure just 1 that I have on my daddy's side. So I have a twin brother. It is his birthday too. Happy birthday to my twin brother. And he's the best brother in the world. Like, listen, he's the best brother. I appreciate him. I love him. Thank you. My name is Danielle, and his name is Dominique. So yeah, I have a twin brother. I also have a little brother, and I have a little sister on my daddy's side. What's your favorite perfume? My favorite perfume is I have so many. And be on the lookout for that video soon. Okay, be on the lookout for that video, because it's coming. But I would say YSL Libra. That it just smells like a boss. Like, I smell like I'm a boss, like the boss of CEO boss of Body of a Goddess that I am. Okay. And last but not least, the last question is, what do you like to do for fun? Me, I don't do a whole lot. But I would say having fun is going out to eat. I don't have any friends, but you know, I want to have one friend where we can go to brunch, go have vacations, and you know, I do that with my boyfriend. But I want me a friend girl, and one day I'm going to get her. I'm going to manifest her. If you want to be my friend, you in Georgia, what's up, girl? Anyway, I hope you guys have enjoyed my video. Thank you for the birthday wishes, and if you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe so you can become a part of my Dozen Roses gang. And I love you guys, and I'll see you guys on the next go round.